Hello, lawyers! I'm going to show you in this video a simple 5-step framework that gets you testimonials that showcase not only how good you are, but also that are designed in a way to get you more cases from people that don't necessarily know you. So let's jump into it. And if you stay till the end, not only will I give you this copy of this template, but I will also show you a simple psychological method that really squeezes the lemon out of the testimonial video so that you actually get business. So let's dive in. Step one, let's lay out the foundation. What was your client feeling like before they started working with you? In this conversation, you're literally asking a question of what life was like before you entered their life. So that could be that they didn't know what to do, they didn't know what laws were applicable to them. It could be anything to do with what life was like. They could be in pain. Let's face it, people don't need a lawyer just for fun. Life is going to be bad. So extrapolate that kind of scenario out of your testimonial first. Next, you really want to go into what life was like when working with you. So after that, they might talk about your onboarding process, the way that you constantly kept in touch, kept them in the loop, made sure that you allayed their fears, etc. This is the stage where you talk about that. Then thirdly, the result. What was the result that you got from them? Like, did they win the divorce? Did they get custody of the children? Did they get like a $200,000 settlement from their accident? Did they get anything tangible that means value to not only your existing client that is giving the testimonial, but also the future client that is watching this testimonial, thinking and assessing whether to engage with you or not? Fourthly, objection handling. We're going to ask a question that your future client might be thinking already in the back of their mind. So, for example, what would you say to somebody? So, if you're a personal injury lawyer, you might ask, what would you say to somebody who says that personal injury lawyers take too long to settle my case or your case? Or what would you say to somebody who's doubtful that they will possibly get get custody of their children because they're a man or a dad? Basically, you're putting your client's biggest objection and asking them to answer it in a way that's going to be useful to the future client that's watching this testimonial. And finally, to actually get to the call to action, what would you say to somebody thinking about booking a call or working with us? So that gives you the opportunity to ask your future client to basically tell it gives your existing client an opportunity to tell your future client why they should work with you. And finally, to actually squeeze the lemon out. You're a lawyer. You do this as a profession. So I've actually learned this from my law clients, and that is to probe and dig deeper. Now, just me saying that is going to enlighten you a little bit, I'm sure. The more you probe, the more questions that you ask, the better the testimonial. So using phrases like, tell me more, or what do you mean by that? Can you share more details at every step of those 5 questions that you're asking? And literally within 5 to 6 minutes, you can have a testimonial video that is designed to not only showcase how good you are, but showcases life before you, life after you, and life after the result that you've got for your client. So I hope that helps in this literally 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Now, if you want a copy of this template so that you can literally copy and paste it for every single testimonial video that you're going to go and do, then just leave a comment below or contact our team from casenurture.com and we will be happy to send this to you for free of charge. So see you on the other side.